These microscopic organisms are called algae. They produce most of the oxygen on our planet, and they harvest more CO2 from the air every day than all our forests on Earth combined. Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Ravas, and I founded Algacraft Limited here in Edinburgh because I believe algae are the future. These fascinating microbes are the most efficient organisms at carbon capture known to humankind. They're also extremely efficient in wastewater management and producing a plethora of useful products like animal feed, food additives, bioplastics or pharmaceuticals. But if they're the best for carbon capture and they produce all these useful things, then why aren't we growing them? We don't have enough data on how to grow algae well. Lack of growth optimization is the #1 issue identified by the latest industry-wide research on the future of the algae biotech sector. We got the same result after a funded 6-month market research campaign as part of the EIT Food Seedbed Accelerator program. Companies needing to pick the ideal alga species out of millions or just measure things like growing temperature, medium composition, light intensity, CO2 concentration, proliferation time, pest control, and scores of other crucial growing parameters have to currently invest in expensive labs, hire armies of technicians, and spend years doing grueling wet lab work to establish the exact conditions for their particular scenario. So, how can Algacraft address this industry-limiting issue? Well, we developed an innovative algal growth optimization service. We designed a machine that speeds up and automates most of this lengthy and costly procedure. Our innovative in-house photobioreactor array is able to do live measurements of a plethora of key growth parameters of algae simultaneously in dozens of cultures in parallel and in an automated manner. It is currently being tested here and it is at technology readiness level 4. After obtaining key data from the machine, we do a complete bioinformatic analysis and deliver a report to our clients with key data that helps them grow their algae. If, for example, you own a dairy farm and want to reduce your wastewater output by growing algae in it, we can measure which strain will perform the best for you. If you're a large algae farm producing vitamins and want to boost your yields by pumping in CO2, we can measure how much you need of it. If you're growing fish feed and need to cut your heating cost, we can measure how much lower you can go without impacting your yields. And the list goes on. Our technology not only benefits the environment by enabling this industry to succeed, once our service is established, we aim to also use it to develop algal strains for novel industrial applications ourselves and license these to large-scale alga producers.